Hi, we are the Detroit Public Schools Group, and this is our progress report. My name is Mira Zranik, and I am a biochem and math major focusing on medical research.
Hi, my name is Jashrad Singh. I'm a third-year electrical engineering student here at Wayne State.
Hi everyone, my name is Alana Bodwin. I'm currently a senior at Wayne State University and I major in electrical engineering.
Hello, my name is Deja Gaines and I am a senior at Wayne State University.
Hello, my name is Jenna Bazan and I am currently a public health major at Wayne State University.
Hello, my name is Emil Melkic. I'm majoring in computer science at Wayne State University.
In this proposal, we plan to research and discuss the socioeconomic disparities inner-city schools face compared to those of suburban public schools. Inner-city schools face the issues of low funding, low test scores, poor physical conditions of schools, a poor quality of teaching, and as well as the impact of COVID. The purpose of our research is to propose a plan at a local, state, or federal level to improve the quality of education within inner-city schools. To those with the resources and the qualifications that will make a positive change within these schools, with the intent to help these kids within these schools to be more prepared and successful in the near or far future.
Hello, my name is Emil Melkic, and I'm going to be going over tonight of the overall progress my group has made and how we're going on with our research regarding inner city and suburban schools. So, we're targeting various factors such as school condition, test scores, technology, the area the school is in, teachers, wealth, etc. And we're looking at the disparity between the inner city and suburban schools. So there's obviously a disparity, and this can be seen in Chicago, this can be seen in LA, Detroit, for example. So we noticed that the inner city schools or poorer schools generally have more African American students, and the more wealthier ones have more white American students. So we can see that the poorer areas, they lack the funding they need to maintain the technology, to upgrade technology, to just supply the students with what they need, to hire teachers, to maintain the building conditions. They lack all the funding they need to maintain a proper system for our students. And this can be seen with the reflecting lower test scores. This can be seen with just building conditions, just overall quality of the school. And this is quite literally vice versa with our suburban schools. They have the funding, they have proper teachers, they have a surplus of teachers, they have the materials they need, the technology they need, and this can be reflected with their test scores. Their test scores are obviously up. And our research methods, we obviously look at articles, we look at news postings, and other resources provided us through just regular research in Wayne State. So we see the disparities, and we are progressing every day. We're discussing on Zoom through messaging, and we're finding new methods of research. We're always uncovering some new topics and new things to learn and type about. So there's obviously a disparity, and we're discussing it. And just overall, the quality of our inner city schools compared to our suburban schools, there's a difference there that can be seen, and we are writing that in our memo. It is seen, and our research methods are reflecting that. Thank you.
So next I'll talk about the future work we want to get done for our project. First, we want to complete our technology analysis memo once we finish this project 4A and see what we like and didn't like about Prezi. Next up, very soon, we want to send out our survey interview questions so that there's enough time for people to respond and that we get a good amount of responses to use in our project. Next, we want to collect our survey and interview responses and combine that with our secondary resources and the other research we've done and analyze those to find the best and most effective plan or solution to the problem that we have. Then for project 5A, we want to work as a team and discuss what we think the best plan is and write our formal proposal report. And lastly, we want to kind of summarize that report and create our formal proposal presentation. Next, we're going to have Alana presenting the project timeline and duties.
Hello, I will be talking about the timeline and the team duties. So both Project 4A and 4B are due on November 22nd. So as a group, we decided that Project 4B will be completed by November 18th and Project 4A will be completed by November 21st. The duties assigned for Project 4B is Mira will talk about the collaborative issues and the stance overall. I will be talking about timeline and team duties. Jazz Raj will talk about the progress for the next project. Jenna will talk about the introduction. And Mill will talk about if progress has gone as expected and what are the results so far. And Deja will talk about what we should do. For Project 4A, we decided that Mira and Jenna will write the introduction. Emil and I will write the technology evaluation. Um, Deja and Jazz Raj will talk about the technology analysis. Project 5B is due on December 4th, and Project 5A is due on December 6th. So we'll do the same structure and setup as far as, completing a 5B first and then A. Since they're going to be due around the same time, we will complete 5B a little bit earlier and then get started on 5A right away.
Alana has gone over what we as individuals in our group are responsible for. This schedule was hard to make due to communication issues. While we stay connected through text, it is easier to have discussions like these in person. We also use text for a lot of our idea discussions due to varying schedules. Everyone in our group has various classes and work schedules, so it's hard to plan meetings where we can all attend. Due to everyone's schedules, it has been better to text so when we are available, we can work on what is needed. I think this process, though, just slows everything down.
Overall, Detroit public schools are slowly improving but could still use a little bit of help. We believe that if we alert more people on their issues, more people will become more aware and will also try to help get Detroit public schools the things they need, such as money, books, supplies, and other things to help overall improve their school rating and test scores. Improving their school rating and test scores will also help improve their funding, and hopefully, with higher funds, they'll be able to increase their staff.